Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani. The HYC has urged upon the state government to take steps to ensure that the fast-track courts and special courts as envisaged under Dream Project for trial of cases under the NDPS Act be established as soon as possible, especially for East Khasi Hills District. While speaking to reporters after the meeting with Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh today, HYC President Roy Kupar Sindram said that at present there are no special courts for trial of cases under NDPS Act. Hence, trial lingers on for years altogether, and this discourages especially the witnesses and the general public to assist the state machinery in the fight against drugs.
We congratulate the state government for launching the Dream Project or the Dream Mission in order to combat drug menace in the state of Meghalaya. But we ask an organization, we don't want the Dream Project or the Dream Mission to be another document, another policy that looks good only on paper, but it is not being implemented as desired by the people of the state. We have seen in the Dream Project that the state government will be creating the special courts or the fast-track court in order to trial the NDPS cases in the state. But it has been so many months since the Dream Project was launched, not even a single fast-track court was created for the trial exclusively for NDPS cases. We have made a demand before the Social Welfare Minister that if you have written in the Dream Mission that special courts will be created, we want to see action on the field, so that especially in East Khasi Hills District.
A day after the Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union